Hello world, my name is Annabelle, and I don't know really what to talk about. But the first thing I should probably say is...
I like turtles.
And yes, I love turtles for a lot of reasons. They are one of my favorite animals because pretty much every year my grandparents like taking me down to Mexico. And yes, I know, that sounds really spoiled. I try not to take advantage of it, ever. But yeah, we go down every year. It's really nice. The weather is beautiful there. I learn a lot of things. I'm definitely trying to learn the language. But there's all these turtles, and there was one time where my mom and me were just walking the beach down there. And we saw this little baby turtle that the little turtle like catcher people hadn't like caught and gotten back to the sea. So this one like adult hands it to me because they can't walk out, and so we walk out to the sea in like the pitch black, and we just put it back in the water, and that was kind of the first thing that made me really love and appreciate little baby turtles, and the fact that most of them die. And I was like, maybe I saved that turtle's life, even if he probably died in the sea. But then I also love like just the beach in general. I've kind of like trained my brain to the fact where like if you start playing like ocean waves, like just background sounds, I will start falling asleep pretty much immediately. You guys know Zumba classes? Well, my mom works at a gym, so tonight she had me like go and take one, and there's nothing wrong, like I like dancing and all that, but I'm sitting there and like half of the songs involve twerking. Like I kid you not, the second song was Twerk It Like Miley, and I'm just standing there like, what's going on? I'm just this potato compared to all these dancers that are actually doing it right. Like it wasn't too awkward, it was just kind of uncomfortable. But it was still cool. Oh my goodness, school has been a blast because some days are getting skipped. Why? Because we have ice rain, because Kansas has the most bipolar weather ever, but sometimes it is useful because it's so freaking cold right now that we are missing school some days, and I'm very happy about that. But I'm also like staying up late, which again I kind of regret because then I'm losing sleep and I'm just sleep deprived. But that's that. Oh yeah, again, lazy backgrounds. I guess I could try to say, oh yeah, this little turtle's in a puddle and it's a through the looking glass type thing, but you guys know I'd be lying. I'm just lazy. But yeah, this drawing took me about an hour. Again, I use like the same drawing things. Oh, people ask me what drawing software I use. Krita, and then I've been using Shotcut to edit my videos, and both are free, open source. And with Krita, I've recently found the animation skills for things, so later I'll show you some animations. But that's that. Thank you guys all for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe, notice bell, blah blah blah. You know the whole drill, yada yada yada. And again, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all next week. Deuces!